Hi everyone, I'm Renal Das and I'm excited to take you on a journey to learn Python programming language. I'm planning to prepare a playlist dedicated for the absolute beginners, who want to learn from scratch and want to build a strong foundation in Python. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just, someone is curious to learn coding, I think this is the perfect place to start. And in this series, I will cover everything you need to know about Python step by step. The basics like setting up Python, writing your first program, variables, data types, and then control flow, including if-else statement, loops, decision making, and after that, functions like from basics to advanced topics, including recursion in function, after which we shall discuss data structures which are available in Python, such as lists, tuples, dictionaries, arrays. Okay, and then there should be object-oriented programming language concept like class, object, inheritance, encapsulations, and so on. And before ending, I would like to add some advanced topics like file handling, exceptions, decorators, and much more. Hmm. I'm planning that each video will have simple explanation, some practical examples, and of course some hands-on exercise to enhance your knowledge so that you can practice at your own. Okay. Plus, I'll share all the code and resources in my Git repository. You'll find it everything over there. And I believe that after going through all the tutorials from this playlist, you will be able to apply your Python knowledge in real world projects like data science, web development, etc. Everywhere you can apply that. So, now I'd like to request you to subscribe my channel, get your laptop, and start learning with me. Happy learning.